Welcome to Docs in the Kitchen with our host, President Shoemaker, and our special guest, Dr. Adkins.
Today we'll be making Dr. Adkins' trusty recipe for success. Dr. Adkins' magnificent, super delicious, top secret, giant chocolate chip cookie recipe for success spring semester.
Hey, don't hurt yourself. And let's get started. Step number 1, begin by preheating the oven to time management. Step number 2, prep your pan by coating it with a spray of integrity. Okay, so whoa. Step number 3, cream 3/4 cup of softened humility and 1 packed cup of responsibility.
Okay, here we go. Stand by. All right, step 4. Stir in wisdom and knowledge.
Okay.
Mix on medium-high until combined.
Good.
Wisdom and knowledge.
And step number 5 then is to add a splash of kindness. That would be this.
Kindness. Can always use a little kindness.
Yes, sir.
Just gonna eyeball this.
Yeah.
There we go.
All right, step number 6. In a separate bowl, combine the 4 pillars. First of all, unity.
Unity.
All right, academics.
Academics.
Service.
Service.
And leadership.
Leadership.
All right, now then, on low speed, slowly mix in the wet ingredients until combined.
Here we go.
Step number 7, add 1 1/4 cups of prayer and mix for about 5 seconds until evenly distributed.
Gotcha. Prayer. Hey, did you eat all these? We need a lot more of that. Here we go. We need a lot of prayer. There we go.
Step number 8, press the dough evenly into the pan and bake for 20 to 25 minutes until fully prepared and golden. Step number 9, prep your schedule. Make sure you include some variety: sleep, meals, and friends.
And when fully prepared, remove from pan and decorate.
Step number 10, begin the semester.
We can't wait to have you back on campus with us. Bon appetit.